Welcome to the Great Summer Math Mix-Up 2024. This week we're playing Dancing Dice, a creative, strategic, fun game that uses place value or multiplication to practice our numbers. You need dice, paper, and pens. On your paper, each player is going to draw 8 lines that they're going to write numbers on. How to play. Draw 8 lines on your paper to write the numbers on. Roll the dice. One of the numbers on the dice is your tens place, and the other will be your ones place. It's up to you to decide which is which. The goal is to write your numbers that you create from each roll, from least to greatest, filling the 8 spaces on your paper. If you roll a number that doesn't fit on your paper, you must skip your turn. If you roll a number you've already written down, you can add it to your paper as long as it still fits in from least to greatest. The first player to get all 8 spots filled wins. It will be helpful to think about with your child what's the highest number you can make and what's the lowest number you can make. On this roll, I could make a 53 or a 35.
One right now is 65.
16 or 61. I'm going to do 61.
What?
Yeah, and there's other variations.
All right, 65 or 56. I'm going to do 65.
That's it. Okay.
Go bug.
I got a 1 in it.
6.
8.
Dancing Dice was a ton of fun. It was easy setup and the kids loved it. A couple variations for older and younger kids. For younger kids who don't know place value, you can use 1 die and try to make 10. You can make a 10 frame for them to use and count what they need to get up to 10. For a little bit older kids, you can multiply the numbers on the dice. And for an even bigger challenge, you can use 3 dice, add 2 of the numbers on the dice, and then multiply that sum by the remaining dice. The player with the highest total of all numbers on their paper wins. Thanks for playing Dancing Dice. Comment below how you decided where to put your numbers.